अरे कंगारे दादा को जगह दो। कैमरा कौन है? कौन है ये? अर्चना मैम रुक ये। मैम ये 10 सेकंड है। यहाँ पर आगे आ जा ना। आजा।
थैंक यू। क्या करें? थैंक यू सो मच। वो कर देते हैं।
हेलो लेफ्ट योर लेफ्ट मैम थोड़ा सा फ्रेम में मैम इस तरफ आइए थोड़ा सा इस तरफ आइए और इस तरफ थोड़ा सा देखिए हाँ परफेक्ट ये सोलो
थैंक यू।
तो इस तरफ ही है ये लुक आया
प्लीज टैग गाइड कर
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम मेरा सेटअप लीजिए आप एक सेकंड यार सोलो पिक्चर प्लीज
मेरे को एक हम दोनों के साथ अब मैं वहाँ लाइट में खड़ी होकर आप लग देना मैं कैमरा पे
ए रुको भाई ए रुको फ्लैश मत मारो एक्सक्यूज मी ए नो फ्लैश
हाँ एक बस क्लोजअप ले लो
मैं अपना सोलो दीजिए ना
Guys, white is Prakriti and red is Sukriti. उल्टा नहीं करना. White is Prakriti.
प्राकृति सुकृति क्या बात है 10 on 10
अर्चना जी जब बात आती है फैशन शो की, जब बात आती है वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट की, देयर इज नथिंग बेटर प्लेस टू फैशन इंस्टीट्यूट, राइट? इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट इट.
So I think women need to be celebrated, and I truly believe in women empowerment, and we have to do this by small acts every time. We can't say कि हमने ज़िंदगी में एक दफ़ा एक women empowerment के लिए कुछ कर लिया और एक औरत को हेल्प कर लिया हो जाएगा. हमें छोटे-छोटे काम करते रहना चाहिए. So today me being a part of this show also, I'm not connected to the Bharat Icon family. It's just that I have come here today as a judge because I believe in women empowerment, and these small ladies who've come from these छोटा towns, it's a challenge for them, and I think by supporting them, being there for them, we are doing our bit, and they're there as women of substance for me, because I really like the way they have at this young age, they're so focused. If I'm sure they must be having so many friends who must be doing nothing right now, must be still figuring their careers out, and these girls,
it was just, you know, we were Delhi girls, came to Bombay, started working at 16, पता भी नहीं था, stage पे चढ़ गए, and you know, we just loved the whole
family में था, तो it's just come to us as passion, and I think we've been very fortunate that we've met the right people and we've become playback singers by now. So I think it's just about knowing what you know and just realizing your calling, you know, very early in your age, and just being at it every day, working hard and sleeping.
You all said it together, so now that's the
thing, you know, that's the thing. At 16 you're so focused कि हमें हार्ड वर्क करना है, ये नहीं कि हमें बैठ के बस नेटफ्लिक्स देखना है और लेट उठना है और बस रात को पार्टी, तो उसके साथ ये भी करना है.
But luckily for, I think, all of us and the women who actually know what they want to do, I think we enjoy what we do.
And we are
so
at
it's
it.
not work.
Yeah,
We're enjoying
that's
what we're
true.
doing right now.
We've seen her give us clothes, we've seen her with her clients, and I think that's probably what makes her the happiest. And
Yeah,
this
eyes
is
always
why
glowing.
she is one of the most successful designers and the most sought after designers that we know of, you know. And obviously, like, you wear her clothes and you feel beautiful in them.
And you
I
feel
think-
celebrated, and that's exactly why we're here. So.
Do you think the Hindi cinema is play a greater role and important role for the awareness of women empowered nowadays? The film was coming like women-centric movies. Do you think?
I think it's about time. I think आप notice कर रहे होंगे वीरी दी wedding ले लो या फिर कोई भी film ले लो. I think there are a lot of female-centric films. When it comes to female-centric songs, I think they're also about to happen. But I think it's more to do with the actresses getting their due finally, and you know,
Yes.
eventually you're going to see that in the music
And there's an
industry.
involvement in the society finally in India. It always happens all over the world. In India, it's now started happening. Where women have now got the courage that even when they are raped, they stand up and they say, we are raped. They don't sit down. It's not like 100 years back or 10 years back, there were no rapes happening. It's just that now they have the courage to stand up and say that, and they don't look at, you know.
Yeah, I think if you
Look
see,
at it, I mean-
if you see ads, if you see films, you know, right now there are films being made about just women, and everybody
And
is
they're
trying
being
to
successful.
celebrate- Yeah.
And people are ready to, the audience is ready to accept it, which is huge.
If you want to dedicate one song for the woman empowered, what it would be?
There are so
there's so
many
many
songs.
But I think we should sing Sukriti's song because it's all about ladkiyan and it's all about beautiful ladkiyan. So
Alright, so there was one song, Ladki Beautiful Kar Gayi Chul, that everybody has loved and given so much love to, and it just
I
stands.
think
It's
we
like
should
an
sing it for
anthem.
Archana today.
Yeah.
I think we should sing it.
Yeah.
Come on.
Sandal mere chum chum karte ge hain brand de airplane mundiya de mere heel pe honde land ve sari kudiyan hai desi chidiyan sari kudiyan desi chidiyan come give me a bulbul. What do we say now?
Thank you. Love you all. Love you all. Thank
so
you.
much for talking with us. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Can I have this video, please? It is so lovely. Can I have it for my social media?
Link
I hope
sent
Lily took some bits of it. Lily takes everything.
Just give her take his number so we can get this video properly from him. Please. Yeah. Okay. So now we'll go backstage. यहाँ से.
Give a bite with me. Yeah, I'll just wait for her.
Get close to Archana ji, is she look like an angel? Like,
Yes, she is an angel.
Yeah.
She is a very close friend of mine. So she's working for me today as a woman of substance, and I truly believe she is a woman of substance because of the way she applies herself to her work and the way she conducts her life. So she totally fits it, and also it's a pleasure always to work with her because I'm very, very fond of her.
Thank you so much. I feel mutually about you. In one sentence.
If you want to describe Archana Ji as a human, how would you describe?
I think she's very soft and she's somebody who's very approachable, contrary to the opinion that people have about well-known designers. You can approach her any time and talk to her, and she's extremely grounded and very passionate about her work, and that's what you can see. If you think I'm wearing a beautiful outfit, it's all her passion in the outfit that I'm wearing.
If you want to talk about women empower, what you want to say? What you define women empower in a fashion show? How you say it? Like,
I think as a woman, sometimes women don't feel confident because they feel they don't look too beautiful or they don't have a great body. But I feel your confidence is everything, and your confidence should speak for you even if you don't feel you have great features. And believing in yourself is the most important thing, because till you don't believe in yourself, people won't believe in you. So that's something very important, and this is a message I would want to give for women empowerment.
describe your dress.
So this is a very different outfit. Generally, Archana gives me all colorful clothes. So this time she just told me, trust me, whatever I'm going to make you wear is going to be very different and nice. And I'm very happy that she selected this for me, because initially I had told her, send me 2-3 more options. But I'm glad that she chose this because I've never worn white before. And I mean, I feel very good wearing this outfit. It makes me look like an angel and feel like an angel.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. We still have time.
Yeah, ma'am. One more. Malik. Yeah. Thank you. Ma'am, with a soup. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, ma'am. Look. Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. One more. Yeah.
So what you want to say today? Your dress up like
Do I need to say anything?
Like-
I am only feeling like a princess and queen in this beautiful white couture outfit. Designed
She's
by-
looking lovely, absolutely lovely.
Yeah.
She made sure that I look like lovely in this beautiful outfit. So yeah, thanks to her.
So it's very comfortable. Like,
It's very comfortable, and I feel like I can go home and sleep in this.
so what do you say about Archana Ji? How much like how you describe her as a fashion designer, as a human being?
See, it's as you can see, all the garments that I am seeing today, they are very beautiful, perfectly fitting all the actors who are wearing it. And over the years, I have seen her collection. They are very pretty, very feminine, which is very important, and very wearable. So definitely that's fantastic. And she's supporting so many causes, which is even better. Like not everyone does it. So using her position to support good causes is a very good thing. So I really admire her.
Thank you so much.
So what do you say about women empower? Like what do you think? जब जब किसी लड़की का रेप होता है और जिस मोबाइल से वो वीडियो बनाया जाता है, वो इंसान उतना ही जिम्मेदार होता है जितना वो रेप करने वाला इंसान है.
I mean, it's such a जो आप पूछ रहे हैं वो एक बहुत heinous crime है. It's very inhuman. So I don't have any words to describe वो कौन रेप करता है और कौन वीडियो बनाता है. Both are equally guilty, and I personally feel that they should be hanged, because unless fear instill नहीं होगा लोगों के दिलों में, तब तक ये चीज़ें नहीं खत्म हो सकती हैं.
I agree with her.
Yeah, completely. It has to be. You have to give them like you have to kill them. Otherwise, it's never going to stop. Thank you.
Say today your dress up like
Sorry, wait 1 second. Sorry, yes.
you're looking like a queen today. You're looking very beautiful.
So
Tell us something about your dress.
Thank you. This outfit is from Archana Kocha. It's a beautiful peach pink dress, anarkali that you can say, and it's an Indo fusion dress. So yes, that's about it.
What, like Archana Ji is a fashion designer. She's very good. Yeah, tell us something about her.
Exactly. अर्चना कोचा मैम खुद इतनी ब्यूटीफुल है और उनके आउटफिट्स उनसे भी ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल होते हैं और हमेशा वो ट्राई करती हैं कि कुछ इस तरह का कंफर्टेबल फैशन लेकर आए वर्ल्ड में, ताकि सब उसे पहन सकें, अफोर्ड भी कर सकें और फैशनेबल लग सकें. सो आई रियली अडोर हर फैशन सेंस एंड हर couture, whatever she brings in.
बेसिकली आप कैसा फैशन पसंद करती हैं पहनना डे टू डे लाइफ में, और कितना फैशन आपके लिए क्या है, मायने क्या रखता है?
Fashion मेरे लिए I think a pair of jeans and sneakers and a good top is fashionable for me. Whatever is comfortable is fashionable for me. Of course it should be trending, but ये नहीं मैं हो जाती कि एकदम से मतलब all out और एकदम जो trending में कुछ भी चल रहा है तो मैं हमेशा एकदम follow करने लगती हूँ. मैं थोड़ा सा उस तरह से laid back हूँ, but still I would like to stay in fashion, in the news all the time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
About your dress.
Thank you. I think it's by Archana Kochar. As we all know, I'm doing her show. And this is something very simple. She's tried to give me very simple, just a mang tikka with this peachish, lovely lehenga. ज़्यादा काम भी नहीं है इसमें और yet it's looking very beautiful, very elegant, very classy. And मैं जब पहली बार पहना है इसको मैंने बोला I have to wear this. It's so beautiful. और मुझे एकदम परी जैसा महसूस हो रहा था. So I was like I have to wear this. I am feeling like a pari right now. So I am looking. Thank you. That feels good. Thank you.
Like summer is going on, and what kind of fashion you prefer on summer? Tell us something about that.
I think summer, I think it's rainy season. I would say shorts maybe, or and a ganji or a shirt, or maybe a dress, knee-length dress, and something very comfortable because you know that बाहर जाओगे उसके बाद पूरा गंदा ही होना है. So, and after you have to come back and again take a shower. So might as well just go very comfortable, like a maybe ripped jeans और उसको थोड़ा ऊपर मोड़ के fold करके, and then yeah, ganji, something like that.
Like today the fashion show is for a cause. Tell us something about that cause also.
Yes.
Power
Yes.
is going on. Tell us.
We are here to celebrate women. It's for women with substance. So definitely I am totally honored because we have to empower women. We have to empower ourselves and help others to empower themselves. So this is definitely something which is very exciting. I am completely honored to be a part of something like this.
So what is like going on like what is there in your pipeline? What is going to come? Like your next project?
There are few things lined up. I have 2 short films. I have almost done it, which is going to release this year. And there's something coming up. I mean, till the time I don't sign it, it's no point disclosing it. So sign kar lo, uske baad you'll come to know.
You work with Akshay Kumar in DS, and your character is really appreciated. Now Akshay Kumar is coming with like Gold trailer is out. Did you see the trailer?
Gold, yes,
Yeah.
yes. I had just seen it once. I couldn't see it again. But yeah, it's a fantastic trailer. It's a patriotic film, and I think आजकल patriotism का ज़माना है. I mean, everybody is देशभक्त. Everybody has become aware of their nationality. So which is I think a great thing, and hockey player के ऊपर है. So I think I am hockey player के ऊपर है. Yeah. Your reaction. I was like मैंने कुछ गलत तो नहीं बोल दिया. Yeah. So I think it's promoting also the sport. So it's a great promo, and I'm looking forward to the film.
Do you think like Bollywood Akshay Kumar is the actor who present India in front of like what cinema he was doing?
I think he's playing very smart, very intelligent. I think because पहले वो comedy films ही करते थे, अभी वो awareness भी जगा रहे हैं लोगों के बीच में that दुनिया देशभक्त होना ज़रूरी है, या toilet कितना ज़रूरी है हमारे देश में. Like he's giving social awareness, which is very important, and being a star, he's doing his job. I mean, that's what I think. If as a celebrity, I think like today we are here for women with substance. We are for a cause. So that's why I think अगर film के through अगर you can put an information to the audience, I think it's a great thing.
Everyone excited to see Sanju. Like
Yes.
did you see the Sanju?
I am very much excited. I love the trailer. I especially loved Ranbir Kapoor, the way he's portraying the character. मतलब वो पूरे संजय दत्त ही लग रहे हैं. So I am very much excited to watch the film just because of Ranbir Kapoor and Mr. Rajkumar Hirani.
Thank you.
Thank you.